Hey guys, Fernando from Fixipedia, and this video is it's gonna be a short video because it's just to show you a simple way to, if you don't have Windows 10 key, just install any version of Windows 7, and I mean any version, and all you have to do is go into Google, Windows Update Tool. Now click in here, Windows Update, Windows 10 Update Assistant, and you should have, exactly, after you download the Update Assistant, I'll click over here, it's going to open a new page where, so let me see, I think down here, yeah, exactly, it's in Portuguese, can change it to English, just put in UK or something. Okay, so download Windows 10, create Windows 10 installation media, and we're going to download this tool over here, which is the media creation tool. And let me show you, it's this little exe file. Just say yes, and let's just close this up. Now it's going to give us a few options. Normally, if you want to do an upgrade directly on the PC, or you want to create a pen so you can update other machines as well. Actually, you can install them from scratch. In this case, we're going to do an upgrade because the Windows 7 doesn't seem to be the Windows 7 that this machine came with. It's a version that you find off the internet, if you know what I mean, and all you have to do is accept, and he's gonna update it to Windows 10 and activate the digital license. In other words, it's gonna work. Now, in my opinion, I think Microsoft is letting this happen with a purpose. They don't exactly, they're not too mad about not selling licenses, because they're selling something they're getting something better, which is databases. They're getting emails, they're getting information, and there's a lot of people that are going to buy apps for the new Windows, so you don't win one way, you win the other. Now, in English, this will say update this PC or make a support installation disk, either with a DVD or a pen. Now, we're going to choose the first one because we're going to update it. If you want to do the pen, just get a pen with about 8 gigs and know that it's going to be formatted. So I'm going to do update and next. So all you have to do is just let it go to the end and it will be done. So I'm going to leave this here and do a little fast forward magic, and we'll talk in a little bit. See ya. Okay, so I ran out of battery, but in the meantime, finished installing Windows 10. So I'm just gonna continue here just to get it started. Normally what I do is I disconnect internet, so I don't have to log in with my Windows Live ID. And you'll notice that on the first configuration in this blue screen, if you have the internet connected, it will make you log into your Live ID. If you disconnect the internet, then it won't. sometimes what can happen is you connect it to the Wi-Fi and then you can't disconnect it, either because you don't have the shortcut on the keyboard or you don't have an option to disconnect the internet. So just turn off your router and do that little first configuration, and as soon as you get into the desktop, you're all good. So now if I come into properties to system, you're gonna see that it's activated. Go down here to activation, and there you go. Wait. This one's in Portuguese, but it's activated through a digital license, so everything's okay. So I'll just have to check if all the drivers are installed, programs, do some updates, and it's good to go. So thanks for watching, hope this helped, and like, subscribe and share, and see you in the next one. Thanks, bye bye.